Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which I recently got, and I know a lot of you might think that why I got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in 2025. So the reason is purely I was going to get iPhone 17 Pro Max, but I've heard a lot of stories about it regarding the build quality. It is getting scratched very easily, so which I really don't like, and the build quality that they are using is honestly not that good in my opinion. So I switched from my iPhone 14 Pro Max to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I used iPhone 14 Pro Max for 1 year. Before that I had iPhone 13 mini. So let's see how my Android experience is gonna be with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the variant that I have here is it has 512 GB of internal storage, which is really nice. And from now on guys, I'm gonna be shooting videos on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which I'm gonna upload on YouTube. So let's see how the quality is. I know iPhone has the best quality in terms of video. So here, as you can see, 512 GB of storage. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor and 5000 milliamps of battery. So let me just quickly peel this off, and as you can see, the box looks very similar to the iPhone boxes. So here, as you can see, we have our device and it is in titanium gray, which I really like. I really like the build quality of S25 Ultra, and it feels very premium. I don't know why iPhone 17 Pro Max they went with the aluminum instead of titanium, because titanium feels really premium. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. So the device looks awesome guys, and here, as you can see, here is our device. And let me just quickly grab this box. We have another package in this. Here we have our, let me just quickly show you, our charging cable and our SIM tool. So here is the charging cable, and it is dual SIM by the way guys, and you can also install eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is really nice. So here is our cable, USB type C to type C, and here is our SIM tool. Now let me just quickly remove the plastic from the front. And we have a beautiful 6.9 inches OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the right hand side we have power button, volume up and down keys, and on the bottom we have our SIM slot, USB type C, and our S Pen. As you can see, unfortunately the S Pen does not come with Bluetooth, which Samsung had previously in their previous models. So here, as you can see, on the back we have 200 megapixel camera with additional cameras, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So yeah, the build quality is amazing in my opinion guys. It looks very premium. And let me just quickly turn on the device, and after setting it up I will show you. So guys, let me know in the comments down below if I made the right choice of switching from iPhone to Android device. And I also got a cover case and screen protector, because from day one if I bought a device I usually put a screen protector and a cover case to protect the device. I know a lot of people are saying get a cover case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max as well, but I've seen some devices which if you put them in the cover case, after some time it still got scratched somehow because of dirt. So I'm not sure if iPhone 17 Pro Max build quality is that much great compared to the previous year model. So yeah, here is our screen protector, and let me just quickly put it on, and after that I will come back. So here is our screen protector. So guys, here is the screen protector. It's okay, it's not that great. I will be getting another screen protector. So let me just quickly show you the cover case, which I got from Noon by the way. If you want to purchase accessories, Noon is the best application that you can buy from in Saudi Arabia. So here is our cover case. Let me just quickly put it on. Yeah, and the cover case looks really nice. It has MagSafe, as you can see, MagSafe. So yeah guys, the screen looks amazing. 6.9 inches OLED display. The peak brightness is 2600 nits. So yeah, looks awesome in my opinion. And yeah, the cover case is also really nice. So I'm gonna be setting it up, and guys, this is just an unboxing video. I will be uploading a full review later on, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be updating it to the latest version. Samsung promised up to 7 years of firmware updates, which is really nice. So yeah guys, so overall I'm really liking the device, and the build quality is top notch. By the way, I'm shooting this video on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Moving forward, I will be shooting on this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And here is our user interface. As you can see, One UI, but currently it's on One UI 7, so I'm gonna be updating it to One UI 8. So yeah guys, overall looks really nice. And the screen protector, I'm gonna be changing it to a good quality screen protector, because I feel it's not that great in my opinion. It has some fingerprints. And yeah, if you like this video guys, please leave a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching my video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.